You worked with Pawan Kalyan sir, and now he's the Deputy Chief Minister of.
I'm telling you, I'm the lucky.
But how was the experience with him?
Oh, it was beautiful. It was so
Is
much
he
fun.
always silent?
Who?
Pawan sir.
Pawan sir. So Pawan sir, he's a very quiet person and a very calm person, but he has a sense of humor. And the best part was his he used to, so he has a connection with Pune,
Oh, okay.
and I'm originally from Pune.
Okay.
So we had the same yoga teacher. He used to come to Pune for yoga, and I had not shot for anything at that time. And I'm looking at this man. I'm like, I was like, no. Why will Pawan sir be here? It's a very like a traditional Iyengar yoga center where he comes in. I was like, why is he? Is this him? No, it's not him. But it turned out to be him,
Okay.
and I was like, wow, power star Pawan Kalyan. It's like, hi. And then we also happened to be taking the same flights to Hyderabad because I was shooting, and then a lot of times I met him prior to Attaranti Ki Darudi shoot.
Okay.
And when the song shoot happened, I was in US and I was doing a tour of my shows, and they called me while I was in US, and they were like, we want you to shoot this, but the shoot is tomorrow. I was like, I'm in America. How? It's like, no, we'll send you a ticket, you come now. I was like, why is this in such a short notice? So apparently I was replacing someone, or I don't know what was happening. So somehow my dad and my manager managed all of that, and I was on the next flight. I came directly to the studio from the
Airport.
multiple
After
flights I
after a
changed.
13
Not 13, 19 hours, 19, 20 hours flight with multiple stopovers because whatever was available I had to take. And then I reached the studio and all these people are dancing. This was at 3 a.m. Okay, it was like a night shoot. 4-night shoot we did for the song. And all of them are like full high energy, and Trivikram sir and Samantha and all of them are dancing. And I'm like totally jet lagged, and I'm like, what is happening here? What is the song? What am I wearing?
What is the choreography?
What is the
What are you
choreography?
wearing?
Who is the choreographer?
Uh-huh.
Nothing. I had no idea.
And
And I was dazed, and I was listening to the song, and I was still not into it, and I was also a little nervous because Pawan Kalyan, and he came to me and he started talking to me in Marathi, which is my mother tongue,
Okay.
and that was the icebreaker. And I was like, Marathi? And he's like, he asked me in Marathi, "Kai vichar karti es?" What that means is, what are you thinking so much? And I'm like, did you just speak Marathi or am I jet lagged? It's like, I know Marathi, and
And now he is
look
the
at
fight.
him. I'm so proud of him.